So I just dropped the vid. But I figured I might as well show you how to use Minoxidil. So basically it's a line in there. You fill it up to the line. I'll be filling it past it because they don't really fill up the bottom. And then basically what you do is you just go along your bearded area. So, you know, see them a little patchy under there. And a lot of people only use one hand with one finger so they can save some product, but I don't really care, honestly. Now, what it's worth for me, I don't know. I see a lot of people usually get results in about 3 months, 4 months. So it's going to take a minute probably before I see anything, but who knows? I might see something quicker just because you see, I got all that little small peach fuzz already, and that's what it's supposed to basically make come out is your peach fuzz. Now I'm sure y'all asking, when does this when can you stop using it? And basically, you're supposed to stop using it once the vellus hairs become terminal. And terminal basically means permanent. So like these, if I cut these off, they'll probably come back. Guarantee they will come back. Kind of like a mustache, you know, stuff like that. Now, vellus hairs is like baby hair, so stuff like, you feel me, that, like that. Now, you're supposed to leave this stuff on for 4 hours before you wash it off. I got the phone, because I heard that the liquid kind, I heard it like take forever to dry on your face and then it leave a lot more white. Now, I'm sure some people had white stuff on their face after they applied this, but since I've been applying it, I ain't been having no white stuff. So you literally just keep it on for 4 hours and then you just get you some oil. I've been using Jamaican black castor oil, and then I also got this stuff from Walmart, which I was like, I might as well not let it go to waste. It was like this beard boost serum. Before I knew about Minoxidil, I was putting on my face, and it's kind of like an oil too. So I put the black castor on in the morning. So like right now, I think it's like 11. So I end up washing this off around 3 o'clock, and then I'll put the black castor oil on. Then at nighttime, I'll put that beard boost serum. Now, if y'all want to know what kind of serum that is, just let me know in the comment section. But yeah, after I wash this off and I put on my oil, I usually comb out the hair first, and then I'll brush it out. And you see this, they give you a lot, but I ain't putting it on my mustache, low key. My mustache already be going over my lip. I don't know if you can see it. I just cut it, but mustache is going over my lip, man. It sucks. It be getting stuck in my food and stuff. Like, if your mustache grow over your lip, you know what I'm talking about. But sure, even if you don't got no beard or nothing growing already, I say use it. Like, ain't nothing you could lose. It's $30. If you got a consistent job, buy it. It's a 3-month supply. So it's going to last you. You just want to make sure you get all up under there. You feel me? And that's about it, yo, boys. So if anybody else hopping on this journey, let me know. Just comment and put the comments in the comment section. Send me some pictures if you have done the journey. And like I said, All-Star J is who put me on to the Minoxidil. He don't know me. I don't know him in person or nothing like that. But I just been watching his YouTube videos. His facial hair kind of look like how mine's look. Got a little goatee, little hairs growing on the side. So I figured if he could grow one, I could definitely probably grow one. And my dad, you know, they say it's all based off genetics. My dad, he kind of got a beard, I guess. He got like, I don't know. He ain't never grew it out full. So he got like that, he got that, that lumberjack Joe right there. But shoot, I'm trying to grow out a full beard. I know my big brother, he like a year older than me. He already got, he got his lamb chops in. I'm like, what the heck? I ain't got nothing. And then my little brother, who 2 years younger than me, he ain't got nothing. He ain't even got a mustache, barely. So, I don't know. They say genetics, but man, my family genetics weird. So you see, it's like shampoo, but it smell like alcohol. When you put it on your face, you go see it smell like alcohol, bruh. Now, side effects, they do say it'll make your face dry. Me personally, and I got dry skin. Like, I don't know if you can tell, but that's like red right there. That's because I got real dry skin. My mama got eczema. So they say give you dry skin. Who knows? I'm on day 2 only, so it might. But I think as long as you put on the oil after the 4 hours, you should be good. Who knows? And you apply this stuff about twice a day. You apply it twice a day. So apply it. Then you wait your 4 hours, put your oil on, or wash it off first, and then put your oil on. Then brush it out. Wait 10 hours and do it again. Now I don't know if you can sleep overnight. I've been watching some videos. A lot of people have been saying you can't sleep overnight with it on. So I haven't tried it yet, just because, I already got dry skin. I ain't trying to make it worse, but apparently you can sleep with this stuff on overnight. Just wash it off in the morning. Me, I just been doing a good time frame. So like, say you do it at 7 in the morning, you should be able to wash it off around like, let's say 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then put it back on a little bit later, and you'll still have the 4-hour period to, do it again without being up too late, because I know some people work early. Now, when you apply this stuff, you do want to wash your face first. So like I said, I was using some Shea Moisture African black soap wipes, and I grabbed these because these usually work good for me. So I was using those, and you see them about done now. Yeah, like they said, it's supposed to be side effects on the first week. I haven't felt none. I don't think. Now, my nose don't bleed, but I ain't gonna cap. Yesterday, I woke up in the middle of the night and my nose was leaking blood. So, I hope that ain't a side effect. I ain't never heard of nobody with that side effect, so it might just be me tweaking. Like, yeah, this might be something with myself, But yeah, that's about it. And they say the foam dry a lot quicker than the liquid. I ain't never used the liquid. I might switch off once the beard actually start to grow in. If it grow in, which I got confidence it will. But as you see, it's drying up pretty quick. Now, I will say the downside is when you lick, like, if you get your soul patch, bro, and you lick the bottom of your lip, you gonna definitely taste it. You gonna feel that. And it don't taste good, it don't feel good. Now, when it's on your skin, it dry up. Right now, it's pretty much dry. So then I just sit like this for 4 more hours. Like I said, after the 4 hours, just wash it off, put some oil on, slap, and brush that John. And then I use a comb too to just brush out my long hairs. But we gonna see. I guess I upload a video every week to see a difference. Who knows? Y'all just let me know in the comment section. Let me know if y'all got any questions or anything like that. See y'all later. Till next time.